dark people. They were like rebels. It doesn't seem like adults.
They were.
Like the punks?
This sounds like pop. But back then it was completely not. It was different. It was edge. Because it was very sexy. What?
I hate you! Zoe, I'm car rage! Look what you did! My happy, you go to car rage!
It's going on YouTube.
No, it's not!
Well, crash the car.
Please don't.
Ready? Q-tip. Q-tip. Throw it away. Throw it away. And I had the lace. Mom, what? One hand on the wheel. I had the lace.
She doesn't have her hands on the wheel.
Dibba-dibba-doo. Dibba-dibba-doo. Oh. Mom. What? You really not dance?
No, because then it's entertaining for the YouTube YouTube watchers.
Look at me, no hands.
That's just not a good thing.
They probably think I'm just hungry. Or one of us.
Or in the car.
Everywhere. That's a dance. See, you guys can do this to your kids when you get. Hi guys, I'm Farrell. We'll be looking that one so we can maybe.